Look, feeding a family every night is exhausting, and I honestly got tired of soggy oven fries and messy deep fryers. To save my own sanity, I went out and bought 5 of the most popular air fryers on the market to see which ones actually hold up to real-world family cooking. I've been using these in my own kitchen for weeks, and here's what I found.
Product number 1. Ninja AF 181 Pro XL. When I first pulled this Ninja out of the box, I was surprised by how much it actually fits without taking over my entire counter. It's got a 6.5 quart basket that I managed to cram 9 pounds of wings into, and they actually cooked through. The max crisp setting is the real star here. It hits 450 degrees, which I found is the sweet spot for getting that frozen to crunchy texture on nuggets or fries in about 10 minutes. I didn't even have to thaw anything first. The interface is super simple. I didn't even need to look at the manual to start roasting a chicken. Cleanup was also a breeze because the basket is truly non-stick. I just tossed it in the dishwasher and it came out looking brand new. If you have kids who live on frozen snacks, but you still want to roast a whole meal occasionally, this is the workhorse you want. It's reliable, fast, and feels like it's built to last through years of daily abuse. Product number 2. Cosori Turbo Blaze 6QT. The first thing I noticed about the Turbo Blaze is how quiet it is. Usually air fryers sound like a jet taking off, but I could actually have a conversation while this was running. It uses a DC motor, which I noticed makes the cooking way more even. I tried proofing bread dough in it, something I've never done in an air fryer before, and the low temperature control worked perfectly. The ceramic coating on the basket feels much higher quality than the standard Teflon you see everywhere else. It's slick, and even burnt cheese wiped right off. I also loved that I could skip the preheat phase entirely. I just hit start, and it got to work. The square basket design is a huge win for families because you can lay out rows of bacon or fish fillets without overlapping them. If you're a bit of a foodie and want more control over fan speeds and precise temps for things like dehydrating or baking, this is definitely the smartest choice.
Product number 3. Emerald Lagasse French Door 26QT. Opening the French doors on this Emerald Lagasse model feels pretty fancy. You just pull one handle and both doors swing open, which is actually a lifesaver when you're holding a heavy tray with the other hand. This thing is massive. It's basically a replacement for your actual oven. I fit a 12-inch pizza in there and a whole 6-pound rotisserie chicken at the same time using the different rack levels. The stainless steel looks great on the counter, though it does have a larger footprint. I was really impressed with the toast function. It has an automatic shutoff, so I didn't end up with charred sourdough while I was busy making coffee. It comes with 7 different accessories, including the rotisserie spit, which I use to make the best Sunday roast chicken I've had in a long time. If you have a big family or love hosting dinner parties, this is the one. It's a full-on multi-cooker that happens to be an incredible air fryer too. Product number 4. Chefman Multifunctional 10L. This Chefman looks more like a high-tech microwave than a traditional air fryer. It has a huge glass window and an internal light, which I loved because I could keep an eye on my rotisserie fries without opening the door and letting the heat out. It comes with 3 different airflow racks, which allowed me to dehydrate apple slices on the top while roasting veggies on the bottom. I found the 17 presets really helpful on nights when I was too tired to think about cook times. You just tap chicken or shrimp and walk away. The 10-liter capacity is perfect for meal prepping. I spent a Sunday making a week's worth of roasted sweet potatoes in one go. It doesn't require any preheating, so it's much faster than a standard convection oven. If you like the versatility of an oven but want the speed of an air fryer, and you love being able to see your food cook, this is your best bet. Product number 5. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 4QT. If you have a smaller kitchen, or you're just cooking for 2 or 3 people, this Instant Pot Vortex is a little gem. It's compact, but the 4-quart basket is deep enough to hold a decent batch of wings or a small cake. The even crisp tech really stood out to me. I used almost 0 oil on some homemade potato wedges, and they came out perfectly golden. The touchscreen is very intuitive. It actually shows you the progress of the cooking stages, which is a nice touch. I also noticed it's incredibly fast at reheating leftovers. Instead of soggy microwave pizza, I got a crispy slice in about 3 minutes. It's lightweight enough that I could tuck it away in a cabinet when I wasn't using it, though the stainless steel finish looks sharp enough to leave out.
If you're tight on space but don't want to sacrifice that crunch factor, this is the most efficient little fryer I've tested. Outro. I hope this helped you narrow down which one fits your family's routine. I've put the links to all 5 of these air fryers in the description below so you can check the latest prices. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. Would you like me to do a deep dive comparison on the 2 winners?